Ass Lifestyle TV. I'm back today with another video, another problem with the Daytona. So basically, let me show you what's going on. Basically, I've been trying to start the car for like a couple days. Hasn't been starting. All I get is a click noise. Hold on, let me turn this off. Well, the click stopped now, but basically I got a bad starter because it's not the battery. I gave it jumps. Turn that down. I've gave it jumps. As you can see, we still got stars in the ceiling. Everything still works pretty much. So it's not the battery. I'm pretty sure it's not the alternator. I'm thinking it's the starter. So we're finna take that off, possibly get it tested or just get a new one. Also, by the way, if you want a distressed beanie, knit beanie, you can get it at onasslifestyle.com. Same day shipping. If you're in the United States, it should get to you in about 2 days because I use the best shipping, the fastest shipping to get it to you. And they're only $30. So hit that website, tap the link in the description, go to onasslifestyle.com to get you a hat today. But yeah, let's get started with taking this starter off. Okay, so I got the car in the air and the wheel off. Next thing I'm gonna do is disconnect the battery. Right quick. I'm gonna disconnect the battery and I'm gonna put a towel in between here. Okay, after the battery is disconnected, let's get under here and see where the starter is. Damn, I just kneeled down on a rock or some shit. That shit hurt. Hold on. I seen this one crazy guy. So first of all, there's the starter right there. I seen this one crazy dude take this off trying to get to the starter. His ass is insane. But yeah, so basically, oh shit, this is the starter right here. And it should be, there's a bolt right here. Let's see if I can get in there. There's a bolt right here. And then there should be one up top. I'm not sure how much of this you guys can see, but that bolt. And then I'm gonna have to take this off. So let's get started and see how this goes. I got a feeling I'm gonna be under here struggling. But let's do it. Okay, so YouTube, we are now underneath the vehicle. Let me show y'all what I'm looking at here. So it's this bolt. It's a 15 millimeter. It's, sorry, I gotta get the light in the angle. That bolt up there, if you can see it, right here, 15 millimeter. And then it's supposed to be one on the other side somewhere. I guess I'll have to find it. But yeah, this is how it's going so far. 15 millimeter bolts. And I'm not in the best position to get them. I'm gonna need the bigger ratchet for this one. It's a little bit easier with the wheel off, I will say. Oh, wrong way. That's the top bolt. Bottom bolt, I gotta use a smaller ratchet and the extension because of this bar right here. Okay. I gotta find this third bolt. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. Okay, so YouTube, the starter's completely disconnected. The last thing we have to do is, let me see if I can shine it. This bolt right here, it's a 13mm bolt. I also have to loosen this black tab. Let's see if I can do that. It's not easy holding this camera. But I'm gonna sit the camera right here and hopefully you can see whatever you see. Damn. I need a lift bad. Put cars on. This is not the way. I hate getting under cars. It's always scary. I will say the 13mm wasn't that tight as the other one, so you probably could use a small ratchet to get in there. Fuck, I knew that was gonna happen. And now I want to drop that bolt. And hopefully this thing should come right out. Let's disconnect this cord. Okay, I finally got the last little wire off. Hopefully I can get this thing out of here. And bam, there's the starter. I'll tell you what I had the most trouble with. I had the most trouble with this clip right here. You can't just yank it off. It has to come off with the push of the button. But yeah. Oh man. It's always harder than expected. So this is my starter. I guess I'm gonna take it to go get tested. Most likely be getting a new one. Okay, YouTube, I ran the AutoZone, got my part. Here it is. Now we're about to install it and see how this process goes. Shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully it takes half the time it took to get it out. So let's see, I'm gonna start by, I don't know if y'all can see that, putting the starter back in the wrong way, or the reverse way, should I say. Then I turn it around. Checking my phone. Pulling up, okay. Then I'm going to, let's see. Bing bang. Damn it, I knocked my camera over. Pause this for a second. I'm gonna start by trying to okay, this is how it's gonna go. So I know you guys can't see, but I'm putting the 13mm on the back, the little, I I guess, power joint. Putting that on first. You know what, I'm gonna actually try to put my bolts in to hold this thing on thing. How about that? Let's see how much can y'all see of this. I hope y'all can see this. This is not that easy. You can't see. Here's the hole. Okay, I put the 13mm on. Now I'm gonna put the nut on. Putting the nut on the 13mm. And I'm gonna try to tighten that. What did I just drop? Oh, that was my phone, okay. Okay, so boom. 13mm is tight. Let's see. It's not an easy spot to work, I think. Boom. Put that clip back on. And then to get these 15mm back in here. And I'm just gonna tighten those up. Tighten up those 15mm. And for that, I will grab my glasses because I don't want none of this dirty rust dust falling in my face. So I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna tighten up these bolts. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna try to tighten them up evenly. So I'm gonna just tighten one up and then it's uneven. So I'm gonna do part of the way top bolt, part of the way bottom bolt. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let's see. I guess this is why dude removed the damn cat. Dude removed his damn exhaust pipe. Nope, I'd rather just bang mine. All right, where's my other ratchet? We caught traction. Go back in there and tighten the top one up. And then if I did everything correct, we should be good. Just trying to be tight. Gotta make sure the joints is tight. Thing looks to par. You guys can see that's the new starter. Got my bolts put in. Everything hooked up. Let's see how this goes. That's it for today's video. Obviously the problem was the starter. We got that replaced. It cost me $150 the starter, and it took $10 off for returning the old one. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, y'all. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. If you made it this far, you gotta subscribe and stay tapped in. Oh shit, I know this is random as hell, but it's a husky across the street. I've never seen a husky over there a day in my life. That's crazy. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, stay tapped in, and more content will be coming your way. Let's do it. Real one for my real one. Real one.